Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys the result of the yesterday trade I took on Volatility 100 index. Okay, 1 second. All right, so in this video I'll be showing you guys the result of that trade, because I said I will be giving you guys an update of how the trade will go. Okay, so here in this video I'll be showing you guys the result and my reason for taking the trade and all that. Okay, so if you're interested, you stick to the video to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, okay, because there are a lot of information I'll be sharing here that you don't want to miss. Okay, now before I go into details of how I was able to trade and catch the trade setup, I'll be sharing an information about the strategy, a very powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, it's a boom and crash strategy, and with this strategy you are going to be able to grow your $5 account, okay, with this strategy. So if you want to get this powerful strategy, check the description of this video. You are going to see a link, sorry, not a link, my WhatsApp contact. Okay, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact. Make sure you message me on WhatsApp directly so that you get this VIP strategy. Okay, it's a very good strategy, and I'm going to be showing you everything you need regarding this strategy once you have gotten it. All right, so with that being said, let's get straight to today's video. As you can see right now, I've buy here in this video, which is yesterday's video. Okay, and in today now I'll be showing you how the trade went. Okay, so that's it guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, as you can see right here, this is the trade I took yesterday and we are currently in massive profit. Okay, in case you haven't watched the video I'm talking about, you should check the previous video, the one before this one. You're going to see the trade setup, how I was able to make it, and my reason for taking that entry. Okay, so here in today's video now, I want to also add some analysis so that you get the idea of what to do on Volatility 100 in the coming days. Okay, so you can see right now where my trade is currently. Initially I see that I'll be waiting for price to break above this trend line. So I'm waiting for price to break above this trend line. Okay, I took this trade here aggressively because I know this zone here will bounce price to the upside. All right, so I'm also waiting for another buy setup here. So once price is able to break above this trend line now, all right, I'm looking for a buy setup around this area. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. All right, so here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see some support and resistance zone around this area. You can see some support and resistance zone around this area, and I'm waiting for price. So if price could go up, break above this trend line, so immediately it break above this trend line, I know it's going to like hit my TP. All right, I'll book in that profit, and if it goes further, break above this this resistance zone here, if it breaks above this resistance zone, come back for a retest, then I'm looking for a buy entry around this area again. All right, in order to buy to the upside. Okay, so my initial reason for taking this entry earlier, you can see from the daily time frame, you can see that price was initially in a downtrend. Now it broke above the trend line, right, found support around this area, came down again. All right, this is like a retest, and I know it's going to like go up again. All right, like if you like, this is kind of a double bottom. You can see one here, and it's kind of trying to form the second one here. So if it breaks up, then break above this structure, retest, and then I'll still be buying to the upside. But it's going to take time for this to happen, and I kind of feel like to share it with you guys so that you know where price is heading currently, although it might still change because we only do our best to like do our analysis and wait for price to do its thing. Okay, no one controls the market, we just like make our plans towards it. All right, so this is what I'm currently seeing. Let me get rid of this. This is what I'm currently seeing in the market. We are still expecting price to like go up. All right, now let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. So now on the 1 hour time frame, like this can like happen maybe tomorrow or next. All right, so there's a zone here, support and resistance zone. Once price can break above this area, once price can break above it, come back, we are going to be looking for a buy entry around that area where we can buy to the upside. All right, so the buying opportunity in this market is kind of massive. All right, so based on my own analysis, this is what I'm currently seeing in the market. All right, and I feel like to share with you guys. Okay, so I think that's going to be all for this video. All right, I just said I should just share with you guys a little bit of this. All right, so in my next video I'll be dropping a boom and crash strategy, a profitable boom and crash strategy. So if you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe. All right, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And don't forget to give the video a like if you are getting value from it. Okay, so that's it guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.